Hey there, artists. Today we're going to learn how to draw Chewbacca from Star Wars. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off with Chewbacca's head first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a big half circle around the top of my paper. Now I'm going to draw a line, kind of like a curved line that comes down like this. And I'm going to do that on both sides. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a series of jagged lines that go along the bottom here to connect both of my lines together. This is supposed to look like his fur from his head. Now I'm going to do Chewbacca's face. So I'm going to say from the top of his head, I'm going to go about 2 fingers down from the top of his head to right about here. And I'm going to do 2 small circles for his eyes. And let's go ahead and fill those in. Now, for Chewbacca's nose, I'm going to do like an oval shape. A little bit. It's going to look like that. And for his mouth, we're going to do a straight line underneath his nose that's about as wide as his eyes are. And we're going to do a big U, or a big wide U, that'll connect the lines together. Now I'm going to give him some teeth. So he's going to have some fangs. And I'm just going to draw a couple lines that come up like this. And then I'm going to connect these 2 lines with a straight line. And now I'm going to draw a straight line down the bottom. Now if you feel like I'm moving too fast, feel free to pause the video at any point to catch up or just to slow things down. No big deal. You guys can work at your own pace. Now, I'm going to fill in this part of his mouth right here with some black. And to kind of add on to his mouth, I'm going to draw these curved lines that kind of come up to his nose like this. So we know Chewbacca's pretty big, right? He's a tall Wookiee. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually start his shoulders from right here, and he's going to have these really long arms. So I'm going to start on the right side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do this a long curved line. Like this. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And you notice how I kind of curve them in? It's because I'm going to have them run into his legs, like they're kind of sitting behind him. Now, for his legs, I'm going to start his torso or his chest area, probably right about here. And I'm just going to draw a straight line that comes straight down like this on both sides. So now I'm going to draw like this skinny N shape. Like that. And now I'm going to just connect this line to this line and this line to this line with a straight line or a curved line. Really up to you. Now we're going to add Chewbacca's belt here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to draw a series of rectangles that kind of come up his body. So I'll show you what it looks like, and you can follow along. So kind of about this size. And then I'm going to work my way up towards his shoulder. And it's okay if it runs into the bottom of his fur on his head. It's okay. So now we're going to finish out his belt just by adding some lines in between our rectangles. So that's one, and we're going to do it on the other side as well. And now what I want to do is I'm going to fill in these areas with black. Just to finish out his belt here. And there we have it, a very simple and easy Chewbacca. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to add some color to help bring my Chewbacca to life. Feel free to follow along. I'm going to be starting off with a very a light brown. This color right here, and I'm just going to fill in his body. So again, feel free to follow along. I'm going to speed this part up and I'll be right back. And this is a very simple and easy Chewbacca. So I hope you guys found the video very simple to follow along with, and I hope you guys found the drawing to be very easy as well. I just want to say thank you again for you guys' support. I hope you guys like and subscribe for any future videos, and I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one.
If you like my dad's videos, like and subscribe. See you next time.